Hello folks. So in this video I'm going to cover how to find out the mean, variance and standard deviation of a given matrix. Okay, so I will be using the previously used matrix here. So let's say this is my matrix, okay, of which we want to find out the mean, variance and standard deviation of the values. So let's see how to find out the mean. Okay, mean. Okay, so np dot mean and the name of the matrix is matrix. Okay, so you can see the mean has been calculated as 4.4444 and so on. Okay, if you want to find out the variance, the formula would be np dot var and name of the matrix. So you can see the variance of this matrix is 4.69 and so on. If you want to find out the standard deviation, then we can do so by using a command called np.std and the name of the matrix, which is matrix. Okay, so you can see the standard deviation of this matrix, given matrix, is 2.16 and so on. Okay folks, so this is it for this video. I will be covering the upcoming topics in the next videos. So keep on watching and hit like and subscribe button if in case you like this video. Thank you.